Hi everybody. In this 1-minute video I'm just going to give you a brief tutorial on Bitmap Query Language if you're not familiar with it. In this video I created something for Excel, or I made one of my Excel projects even better this weekend, and I thought I was going to make this cover right here, and I'll just go ahead and show you in PixelDatabase.net. I have this "I double dog dare you not to like this" is the title of this video, because YouTube doesn't show my videos to anyone, but that's another story. So what I'm going to be doing here is just getting rid of the black background, and it takes all of like 1 second to get rid of. If you want to know how that works, basically I'll reset it and just show you with the color picker. Total is 0 for black and white is 765. The gold or yellow is quite a bit brighter, so I could have used any number here. And there's a lot more information here in the help, but let me know what you think of Bitmap Query Language. This is, if you're a C# developer, there's also a NuGet package for this, datajuggler.pixeldatabase. Thanks for watching.